I'm going to be your chef for today and welcome to my Cooking Lessons 101. So in this vlog, I'm going to teach you guys how to cook my favorite food. Wow! Are you ready for this? Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I'm back with another vlog. So I'm going to be your chef for today and welcome to my Cooking Lessons 101. So in this vlog, I'm going to teach you guys how to cook my favorite food,
Sinigang.
Sinigang. So, some of you may remember that sinigang is my favorite food. That's why I also decided to learn how to cook sinigang because I wanted to learn something new during quarantine, and I could also help my mom because she's always busy during quarantine and she always has to cook the food for us. So, I'm gonna show you guys the ingredients. So, the first thing you need is, of course, the pork. And so, by the way, the sinigang that I'm making is pork, ribs, and chicken. So, a lot of people are doing like sinigang na pork and sinigang na chicken. So, I'm gonna mix them. I'm gonna put them together. Okay. So, the first one that we need is kangkong. So, it's also known as river spinach in English. And then, okra. Here, okra. And then, eggplant. Talong. Isang talong. And then, tomato or kamatis. Yes, yummy. And then, sampalok sinigang mix. And then, onion. And then, garlic. And then, pepper and salt. There. Oh, I also forgot this. Pepper. Wait, no, it's not pepper. It's chili also. Pepper chili. Yeah, pepper chili. Okay, now we're gonna start. So first, what we need to do is we need to boil the pork and the chicken. So I already boiled the pork and the chicken here. You have to boil it for 30 minutes to 1 hour. So that it's like tender, so that it's like juicy, and then you can eat it and it's soft, so that it's easier to eat. Okay, so I'm just gonna boil this first. Okay, there. So now I'm gonna put the ingredients in, I'm gonna mix it, and I'm gonna show you guys which ones to put first. So first, what you're gonna do is you're gonna put the onion. So I'm gonna put the onion first. Wait. So this is 1 tablespoon. Okay. There. Then after, I'm gonna put the the tomato. Okay. After the tomato, I'm gonna put the garlic. Oops. Okay. There. Then, the sinigang sampalok mix. Oh no. Tumikas na. Okay, there. So that it's like malasa. Okay, so I'm gonna mix it first. So guys, I'm just gonna close it first. I'm gonna wait for the tomatoes to be tender first. Okay, there. Now we're just gonna wait for a few minutes for the tomatoes and ingredients to mix well together. Okay. So guys, after the tomatoes are already tender, we're gonna put the eggplants or the talong. Here we're gonna put this. Let's move it a bit further. It's getting hot. After that, I'll put the okra. Then I'll put the spinach. And then the sili. Spicy. The last ingredient is the pepper and the salt. So we have to wait for it. Gonna take a while. So we're just gonna wait for it. So guys, while waiting, I'm just gonna clean some of the dishes that I used.
A few moments later.
So guys, I think that the tomatoes are already tender enough. So now we're gonna put the other ingredients in. I just finished washing the other plates. So okay, I'm gonna start now. First, I'm gonna put the eggplants. I'm just gonna remove the water first. Now we're gonna put the eggplants. Okay. Then gonna mix it. By the way, guys, my sinigang is like a simplified version because most of the sinigangs are like mixed with more vegetables. Okay. There. After that, we're gonna put the okra inside. Okay. They look like hot dogs. Hot dog. Okay. Gonna mix it. Just make sure to mix them properly so that the ingredients would absorb. Ooh, looks yummy. I'm hungry na. I want to eat already. Okay. There. So guys, I'm just gonna close it first. I'll wait for that to be tender again. Then later, after that, I'm gonna put the river spinach or the kangkong and then the sili. And then the last ingredients. So we'll wait for about 5 minutes, I guess, 3 to 5 minutes. Kaya si wash muna while waiting. Smells good. I want to eat already. So now I think it's already good to go. I think I can mix it already. So I'm gonna put the kangkong inside. Wait, I'll just put this here. Like a real chef. Daming gulay. Healthy. By the way, don't forget, before you put it in, you have to wash it properly first. I already washed this one earlier. Okay, there. Then, I'm just gonna mix it first. There. Okay. Oh, they became green. So guys, now I'm gonna put the CD here. Okay. There. So let's put it down. There. Then salt. Now I'm gonna mix it first. Okay. Wow. Yeah. I think I'm just gonna wait for like a few minutes, and then I'm gonna taste it now. It actually already looks good. I think I can taste it already. Now we're done already, so we're gonna do the taste test. I'm gonna call my brother. Kyle! Taste test. Taste if it's yummy. There. Hey, success! So that's my ulam for my family. The sinigang looks very yummy. I'm really excited to eat it for dinner. Yes. So yun guys, ngayon we're gonna put it in a plate. So for the boys out there, dapat matuto kayo din kayo magluto para sa mga crush niyo. You know, para maano sila, maasim. Wait, what? Huh? Ano sabi ko? Okay, so I'm gonna put it here. Oh, looks so maasim. So by the way, guys, I dedicate this to the people whose favorite food is sinigang because it's my favorite. So here is the result. Wait. Bon appetit. So yan guys, sana may natutunan kayo. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. So again, before we end, before we end this vlog, I'm gonna do some shoutouts in my latest Instagram post. Okay, so shout out to Pia Cresciel, shout out to Alia513, shout out to Angeline_11, shout out to Leanne Merial, and shout out to Kizian Panganiban. So, by the way guys, I have kitchen rules over here. Yes, so you can also use it in your table. So, don't forget to always wash your hands, then say your prayers, help set the table, like put the spoon and fork, the plate, and then no cell phones allowed, of course. My mom doesn't allow cell phones in our table. And then try one bite of everything, like if there's a lot of food, you have to try everything, even those like vegetables. And then eat your vegetables, be thankful, and kiss the cook like that, you know, kiss the cook. Clean up after yourself. After you finish eating, wash your own dishes para hindi mahirapan yung nanay nyo. And then, talk about your day to your family. Like, what's up? Parang ganun nangyari. Tapos, what did you do during quarantine? Baka machinelas na naman ako, you know. Enjoy family time. So, yeah. I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. And, please stay safe. Wait. Hi. Please stay safe from the COVID-19 and always stay at home. Eat a lot of vegetables so that you can stay healthy. And don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, share this video, and comment some ideas of what should I do on my next vlog. So, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye!
No.
Oh, diba guys? Say hi.